Okay, let's look at creating a report in Microsoft Word for your SBA. So we are going to look at formatting the document, assuming you had your research already done. Quickly, I'm just going to review the research. Now, I've decided in Microsoft Word, I'm going to do SBA about computers. So I just typed a little bit of information here about my topic and a little bit more. Now, to do the research, of course, I'm going to go to Google and I'm not going to use the AI. All right, so let's see how that's done. So in Google, let's type computer and a bunch of information comes up. The first one is AI. We are not using that. You may also see some to the side or to the bottom, not using that either. So let's scroll down. And here's a definition from Britannia. We are not going to use Wikipedia, right? So Wikipedia is out. So let's get a definition. Click on one of the links. Okay, get some information here. I actually don't like how that one looks, so let me go quickly to the other one. All right, we'll take this. Highlight, copy, go to Microsoft Word. And we're going to paste here. Now we have to get the reference. We have to cite our references. So back to the website, click to the top for the web address, turns blue, right click, copy, go back to the Word document and paste it. All right, here is my reference, okay? Let's get one more piece of information and then I might want a picture for my cover page, let's see. And you need to reference that image as well. Now I'm going to paste and I have to go back to get the reference for this image. Right click on the image, copy image address, and paste. There we go. I have my image reference as well. Good. So I'm going to just use this information. Now, I don't like how it looks. And of course, you're supposed to read over the information and change it up into your own words. For the sake of formatting, though, we're going to continue. So the first thing we want to do is move all the references to the last page. currently I have about 2 pages here. Let's take this first reference, highlight it, and I'm going to drag and drop, or I can cut, come all the way down and paste. Let's get the next one, drag that down, and the next one. Right, so all references are now to the end. Next, we want to ensure there's a subtopic for each of our sections or each of our paragraphs as you need it. Okay, so this one, what is a computer, sounds pretty good. And then I'm going to put here definition of a computer, right? Okay. I'm going to put for this one examples. Right, good. Next. Our subtopic for references should be bibliography, and each reference should be in a bulleted list and use the APA generator. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so bibliography here. And we want a bulleted list. So highlight and home tab, bullets. Good. And then the APA generator. Now, going to our website. So we have a free APA reference generator. I'm just going to paste and see what happens. Oh, take off the bullet. Right, and copy and paste to Word. So instead of this first one, I want the APA one. All right, let's get the next one and continue. Great, we have all our APA references here. What's next? All text should be font Times New Roman and text size 12. So the little trick to highlighting everything, of course, you can drag and drop over everything or come to the left margin and triple click. Everything highlights automatically, right? Okay, a home tab, Times New Roman, and 12. Good, next. So for each paragraph, well, all text should be 1.5, and each paragraph should be first line indented. Good. So I have all my text highlighted. Let's do the line spacing. So home tab, paragraph group, we see it here. I'm going to click on this little box next to the word paragraph. And then I'm going to special, first line. But I also want to make sure spacing is 0 before and after 0. Don't add any space, click OK. And line spacing 1.5. So on the cover page, you have some information that you should have there. Topic, student name, CXC ID, which you don't have now. You'll get that in Form 5. School name, the school CXC ID, which never changes. The examination, type of examination is CSEC and the subject, examination year, territory, and the teacher's name. Okay, all that text should be center aligned, bold, and text size 16. So I'm going to go up to information here, highlight just the information I want for my cover page, home tab, center, 16, and bold. There we go. Now I also want this image on my cover page. So I'm going to make it a little smaller. It's too big. And I'm going to place it maybe on top of my topic. So I'm going to press enter here. Right, maybe a little bigger. Okay, that looks decent enough. All right. Now, this text, cover page, no text should be here. Paragraph should start on the second page. So I'm just going to press enter on the keyboard till it goes to the next page. Another way would have been to insert page break. So let's try that. Insert page break and it moves to the next page automatically. All right, what's next? Okay, so you're supposed to insert appropriate image, done that, resize it, good, done all of this. Okay, insert page numbers, select different first page. So insert tab, page number, bottom of the page, and I'm going to choose the right side. And you'll see design tab shows up, different first page. Click close, header and footer. Let's scroll up and you'll notice that there's no page number on the first page. It starts at page 2. Okay, now we almost done. We have to do the table of contents. So we need to get the text ready because table of contents is automatically generated. So the first thing is we have subtopics formatted as heading 1, font Times New Roman, bold, and text 14. And also it has to be a numbering list. And we do that for all of our subtopics. Okay, my first subtopic here, so I'm highlighting that. In the Home tab, Styles, heading 1. Text has to be color black, bold, Times New Roman, and 14. Yeah, so it's 14 already. Good. Also numbered. There we go. I'm gonna take the spacing, the indent back. So decrease indent. That looks good. And then I need to do this for the next one, which is definition. Now, how do I do that? I'm gonna highlight, click Format Painter from the Home tab, and then drag and drop over the next subtitle, and look at that. Automatically, the text formatting transfers. All right, so I have a next one here, the example. So highlight, text formatter, and over my next subtitle. Right, I have one more, bibliography. Good. What's next? Okay, on the second page, insert table or contents from the References tab. Almost done. So I have page 1 is my cover page, and page 2 is this text. So I need to move this text down so that I have my second page for my table of contents. So insert. So I'm clicking at the beginning of the text, insert tab, page break, right? Everything moved down to the third page. Right. So my first, no, my second page is now blank. I'm going to click there. References tab, table of contents, and I choose which one I want. I'm going to choose the second. That's it. And look at that. Automatically inserted. All right, let's just look at it and make sure. So I want to take out all this bold. This should not be bold here, right? Same with this. Take off all that underline, put a sentence, full stop. This I'm going to put some bullet points, maybe decrease the indent a little, get rid of this extra space. Make sure everything is spaced equally. Now, bibliography, I want bibliography. I'm going to insert a page break and put this on the last page. Get rid of these extra bullets. So I'm going to click by the one I don't want and press delete on the keyboard until it goes away. For this one, I'm going to press backspace until it goes away. Right. Ooh, it looks like I spelled something wrong here. Notice the red squiggly line. So right click and then click on the option there. Right. Now this is page 4, which means my table of contents is now wrong because it has bibliography at page 3. So I'm going to come to my table of contents, update table, update page numbers only or entire table, you choose, and click OK. I didn't update it. Let's try it again. Entire table. There we go. Right. And that's the basics for formatting your SBA report.